Hi, welcome to SGS Refrigeration. I'm Ray Schmidt, site manager here in Dixon, Illinois. We have been working on some new product development, and I have a unit out back I want to show you, and we're really excited about it. It has some really great features, and I think you guys will be excited to see it as well. Come on, join me out back and take a look. This is the Industrial Evaporative Condenser. It's the only one like it on the market, and I'm going to tell you how it is different from everyone else. First things first here, this is all hot dip galvanized casing. That means we fabricate these parts, weld them, and do all the nut blending and everything, and then we send it to the galvanizer. And so that makes a real rugged coating on there, just like the coil that the heat exchanger has on it. Another nice feature of this condenser is that the motors are protected by these covers on the front here. They're not exposed to the elements at all. Alright, this has got a solid beam here too. This is the 4-point set. We got these pins here. We're going to put our drip pins up in these holes here like this. Pin's going to do the same thing down there. And as you can see, this is going to come together. It's got that down bend flange there, and that's going to allow the mastic to seal both ways. There's no fasteners down the side of this. So that's the unique feature of how this goes together so simply. All right, now see how this flange has this bend here, and you put the sealant tape in there, that'll seal this way and that way, and as this comes together, it lines that sole side of that condenser up just perfectly, and once you hold the drip pins in location, it's perfect as far as it sets together. So it's only a 4-bolt fastening when you get done with it. Okay? I want to take you up and show you the spray system, because that's another feature that sets us apart. As you can see here, this is a PVC manifold. It's all glued together to hold any additional pressures on remote sump units and whatnot. And then it has a quick coupler here so you can take this spray system out. Also, we use this very large non-clogging nozzle that has very little maintenance involved with it as well. And another feature, when we rig this unit here, we use these lifters down here in the corner. They're integrated into the coil. They're welded in there. They work really well with the clevis, so that worked out real well for picking it up. You see there's a frame on that coil too. That coil's dipped with that frame on it to keep it nice and square when it goes in the unit, so it fits up really nice. There's no gaps in between the tubes from one coil section to the other. And also, see the fan partition extension comes up above the coil in this particular unit. This unit has individual drives on it, so that partition goes all the way down to the sump to separate one fan from the other for staging the operation. This whole fan section I'm standing in, from this part out here to the guard area, is one piece assembly and all welded up. Hot dip galvanized is a complete assembly and installed in this unit. Thank you for viewing just a few of the many features and benefits included in our new IEC Industrial Evaporative Condenser. As you can see, this product is designed to perform well with easy installation and easy maintenance in rugged industrial applications, and many more years of service added with the available hot dip galvanized after fabrication option.